Why is it? The logo's weird. Okay. Hi, we're TouchBase. So this is our hack to sort of solve a social problem that we've seen, and the problem of people sort of drifting apart. So in order to do this, we've built a data-driven contact relationship manager to help you manage your personal life. And let's take a look at how we do that.
So the idea is that we aggregate a lot of social data. So we go over Facebook, we go over your Gmail, you go over GChat, we go over your Facebook messages, we go over your phone, calls, text messages, and the idea is that if we know exactly how you communicate to people, we can track when you stop communicating with them.
Yep, so let's take a look at some data we have. This is Eric's friend Michelle. Michelle is doing an internship in New York, and you can actually tell by the amount of email they've been sending when she left for New York, and when they sort of stopped communicating face to face. And that was on the 24th of May. So maybe we can look at another one. So this is interesting. This is sort of a trend we didn't expect to see. We see one kind of communication replaced with another, and this is how we learn when we detect sort of differences. We should do an aggregate, not like a single thing. So Alex used to text Eric a lot. Now they've phone called, and you can actually see sort of a drop in communication, and we can detect that and warn you. This is also interesting. Darshan and Eric work together, so they send a lot of email back and forth, and these are pretty lengthy emails. So we can actually also use that sort of as a feature to detect and like classify your friends, although that's not implemented.
Yeah, so as you can see, since they're in constant contact with each other, they don't really phone or text each other. So yeah, and all of this is done via an Android app, which actually scrapes your call data and text data and sends it up to our servers.
And with the Facebook API and
Gmail API.
Gmail APIs, yep.